In this example, we're going to solve for x. First part's already been done for us. We're going to be squaring both sides. What you're left with is x plus 2, and you've got x squared on the other side. You'll notice here, this is a polynomial. What we're going to do is we're going to subtract from this side. We're going to move everything over to one side. So what you're left with is x squared minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. From there, what we're going to do is we're going to factor it. So what we have to come up with is something that adds to give you -1, but multiplies to give you -2. Since this is negative, we're going to end up with a positive number and a negative number. You're going to have x minus 2, and then you're going to have x plus 1. Because -2 plus 1 will give you a -1, but if you multiply them together, you'll get -2. Because, of course, this equation now equals 0, we have to find where x is equal to something so that this equation will work out. In this case, all you have to do is flip the signs for each one of these. That means that x is going to equal +2 and -1 in order for that to work. So now that we have those two values, we'll see if either one of them work. This is where it's really important to verify your work. Alright, let's plug them into the original equation. So we've got x plus 2, all under the square root sign, is equal to x. So wherever we see x, we're going to replace it by a 2. So it's going to look like this. So the square root of 2 plus 2, well, bring that together. That is the square root of 4. And the square root of 4 is definitely equal to 2. So that one works. Let's take a look at it with -1. You're going to have -1 plus 2 is equal to -1. Okay, so when we work this one out together, you're going to have the square root of 1 is equal to -1. That doesn't work. This one right here is what we call an extraneous root. And it occurs because we have squared the equation to solve it in one step. So, if we had to find the solution to this particular problem, we'd say that x is equal to 2. It does not equal to -1. That does not work.